Kurengana na makiaya kira serikali igendere tukuradia iguru y'obuya bw'ekikosi ky'obubundi meya Kenya.
TVET will be the best.
Ritsukuria rero nigo muri kyobotamba samwana y'ekisukuru ky'obubundi ose TVET Dr. Esther Mworia arahago chakiwa kwa mwigirego cha sabo igire b'ekikosi ekime y'esukuru y'obubundi ya Kisii National Polytechnic.
I am here at one of our national polytechnics, the Kisii National Polytechnic, because we are launching the training of the assessors and verifiers for the recognition of prior learning. The government passed the recognition of prior learning policy, and as a Ministry of Education, as a department for TVET, we are determined to roll out the policies as passed by the government. So we established a directorate of recognition of prior learning that is based at the Kabete National Polytechnic, but for the whole country.
Singona ya Dr. Mworia nigayenekiria magire aya na yengencho nainde nache gokorekana chukuru cy'obubundi cyonsi menseito ya Kenya.
So the training of the assessors, the people who will be able to assess those who already have skills and are out there without certificate, is our work right now. So we want to start by training those who will assess and verify the skills that are out there with our people. Na tumesema hatutaki hata kisungu mingi. We want our young people, or even older, to come and demonstrate that they have the skill, and once they are able to demonstrate them, because like I've said, we already have trained on the standards that we are going to use, then we will be able to certify them.
Serikali yarire ira guchoko chisira cyonsi asibiria biganeirie.
Government of Kenya is very serious to ensure that, first of all, we have enough access for the young people to our institutions. Therefore, we are looking forward to having a TVET institution in each and every constituency. We are short by about 50, but that is going to be completed. And following that, the government was to ensure that we equip our institutions as they come up, including those that are already here.
Serikali nigo bono yabekire merubiri mekirano eriko ni kimuna borkiwa wikera milioni 2 nkwirike barasi chikosi cy'obubundi eriko nyoramba amanya bange barakora emirimo y'amaboko kwigenderera samagimabo.
Yes, as a country, we do not have enough skilled workforce. That is why we are working day and night to not only train our young people. We are working with Ngao to ensure that all the young people out there come to our institutions, and by the end of this year we want to have not less than 2 million young people in our institutions, because we want to train them, because we need them as a country. We do not have the requisite numbers of skilled workforce in our country, absolutely skilled, not just having a skill that you are not sure of. So working very hard to bring in requisite staff. Again, we cannot lie and say that we have all the resources that we need to employ all the teachers at the same time. So pole pole, we are going to bring in enough trainers, whether in TVET, whether in the secondary and primary schools, pole pole. But as government, we are aware of what we need to do, so that our young people are educated and skilled properly. So tutaenda pole pole and we will get there.
Kwa ripoti ya Oyominto TV kurasi skuru y'obubundi ya Kisii National Polytechnic edited and Pethuel Machin.
Happy birthday, dear Peter. Happy birthday to you.